So today I'm going to show you how to make some easy, fluffy little tribbles. So you want to start by getting yourself a couple inches of fake fur, and the longer the fur is, the better it'll cover up the seams. And then you just want to crumple up some scrap paper until you've got yourself a little ball, slightly oval shaped if possible. And then just take some hot glue and glue down a few of the edges to just kind of hold your ball in place. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just to hold everything in place. And so then take your fur and lay it first side down. Put a little bit of hot glue on the back side of it and stick that onto your ball of paper. And then just keep hot gluing down the center of it and rolling it around your little ball of paper and cut off the excess when you get close enough. And then finish gluing it shut. And then just adjust the fur to cover up the seam. Again, the longer the fur is, the easier it hides the seam. So then, of course, you can still see the paper on both sides, so to fix that, first start by putting some glue along the edges and smooshing it up around itself, around the paper. Give it kind of a rounded shape so you're actually folding the fur in places to fold it around itself. So then once you've got it tight on both sides, then you'll just take your excess piece of fake fur, put some glue on it, and this time you're going to roll it the opposite direction, so to go around those open ends and cover up the paper that you can see. So do just like you did before, putting hot glue down the middle and rolling it around the little ball. Again, cut off the excess when you get to the end. And then just finish gluing it in place and adjust the fur over the seam. And so then you're going to smoosh the edges toward the center again. But this time the fur on the inside will cover up the seam, so it'll be a nice seamless transition there. And you'll do that to both sides, so then you've got a nice soft fluffy little tribble. And again, the longer the fur is, the better it is. The brown one that I made was a little too short with the fur. Yesterday